Once upon a time, there was a man named John who had been working for a large corporation for several years. He had a comfortable job, a nice house, and a family that he loved. But one day, his world was turned upside down when the company he worked for went bankrupt due to the recession. John found himself out of work with no idea what to do next. He felt lost, scared, and overwhelmed. He had never been in this situation before and did not know where to turn. He felt like he had hit the rock bottom. But instead of giving up, John decided to take action. He knew that he needed to make a change in order to move forward. He decided to use this opportunity to start his own business. He had always had a passion for cooking and had been an avid cook in his free time. He decided to use this passion and turn it into a business. He started a small catering business and began to build it up from the ground. It was a difficult journey, and there were times when John felt like giving up. But he knew that he could not let this setback define him. He kept pushing through, and eventually his business began to take off. He landed a few big contracts and his business began to grow. John's story shows that even in the face of adversity, it is possible to come out stronger. He never gave up, even when things seemed impossible. He took a negative situation and turned it into a positive one. He learned that when life knocks you down, it's important to get back up and keep fighting. He is now a successful business owner and is grateful for the opportunity to start over. His story continues to inspire people who have lost their jobs to not give up, but to use this as a chance to create something new and better for themselves. He reminds people that sometimes it is through the toughest times that we are forced to find new opportunities and grow. John's business not only gave him a sense of purpose and fulfillment, but it also provided for his family and created jobs for others in the community. His experience during the recession taught him the value of resilience, hard work, and determination. He shares his story as a way to inspire others to take control of their lives and not be afraid to start over. John's story continues to be a source of inspiration for many, to remind them that even when it seems impossible, it is possible to overcome obstacles and create a better future. John's journey teaches us that with a positive attitude, hard work, and a bit of creativity, you can turn a bad situation into a good one. It reminds us that we all have the power within us to create the life we want, and that only limit is the one we set for ourselves.